Did you know that insects can be super smart? Yes, you heard it right. Smart like the clever fox or the wise owl. Despite being teeny-weeny, these little critters are brainy champions in their world. They can navigate through tricky terrains, find food in the most unlikely places, and even chat with each other in their own special way. It's like they've got their own little insect internet. Now, are you ready to meet the top 7 most intelligent insects on our planet? Hang tight because this is going to be a fun ride. Kicking off our countdown at number 7, we have the fruit fly. Small but mighty, wouldn't you say? Now don't be fooled by its size. This tiny creature has a remarkable ability to remember. That's right! A fruit fly can recall where it found food, avoiding places where it had bad experiences. This tiny critter's brain may be smaller than a pinhead, but it certainly punches above its weight in the memory department. So the next time you see a fruit fly, remember, it's not just a tiny bug, but a tiny genius. Moving on to number 6. Meet the praying mantis, the martial artist of the insect world. With a name inspired by its prayer-like stance, this fascinating creature is a master of patience and precision. It's not just about the cool moves, though. The praying mantis exhibits remarkable intelligence in the way it hunts. It waits, still as a statue, blending into its surroundings until an unsuspecting meal comes along. Then, faster than you can blink, it strikes. It's this combination of stealth, speed, and strategy that makes the praying mantis a true brainy bug. So who's ready to meet our next smart bug? Jumping into the 5th spot, we have the jumping spider. And no, it's not just good at jumping. This little critter is also a master problem solver. Imagine this. You're a tiny spider and you spot a tasty bug on the other side of a huge garden. How do you get there? If you're a jumping spider, you map out the best route, avoid obstacles, and maybe even take a shortcut or two, all while keeping your 8 eyes on the prize. Who would have thought a spider could be so clever? But wait, there's more. Crawling into number 4, it's the cockroach. Talk about a survival expert. Cockroaches are the Houdinis of the insect kingdom. They're known for their impressive survival skills. These little critters can go without food for a month, hold their breath for 40 minutes, and even live without a head for a week. But it's not just about survival. Their adaptability is off the charts. They can thrive in almost any environment, from the tropics to the Arctic. These tiny survivalists certainly give us something to buzz about. Now, are you ready for the top 3? Buzzing into the 3rd spot is the wasp. Now, this is one bug you wouldn't want to mess with. Despite their stingy reputation, wasps are actually quite brainy. They have an incredible knack for faces. Yes, faces. These winged wonders can remember and recognize the faces of other wasps. Imagine that, remembering who buzzed you off at the last wasp party. This phenomenal facial recognition helps them to keep track of friends and foes in their complex social worlds. Impressive, isn't it? But we're not done yet. Marching into number 2, we have the ant. Small in size, but big on brains. The ant is a marvel of nature, showing us that size doesn't matter when it comes to intelligence. These tiny critters live in complex societies, with each ant having a specific job to do. It's like a bustling city in the undergrowth. They're fantastic team players, sharing tasks and working together to ensure the survival of the colony. So next time you see an ant, remember, it's not just an insect, it's a tiny genius. And now for the most intelligent insect of them all. Buzzing into the top spot, it's the honeybee, a true champion in the insect world. With a brain the size of a sesame seed, the honeybee might seem tiny, but don't let that fool you. These little creatures are masters of pattern recognition, able to remember flower locations and navigate complex environments with ease. But the honeybee's real party trick? It's a dance-off master. That's right, honeybees communicate through a unique waggle dance. By shaking their bodies in certain ways, they can tell their hive mates the location of the best flowers for nectar. It's like they have their own secret dance language. So there you have it. The honeybee takes the crown as the most intelligent insect. So, isn't it amazing how smart these tiny creatures can be? From the fruit fly's astonishing ability to adapt, the praying mantis's keen hunting tactics to the jumping spider's impressive problem-solving skills. Let's not forget the cockroach with its survival instincts, the wasp's facial recognition expertise, and the industrious ant's complex societal structures. And of course, the honeybee, the champion of pattern recognition and communication. Each of these 7 insects showcase their unique abilities, reminding us how intelligent they truly are. They're not just bugs, but vital contributors to our ecosystem. So let's appreciate our little companions for their amazing intelligence. And remember, next time you see one of these insects, don't forget to say hi to our little geniuses.